we'll solve next question from the same exercise, that is question number 9. The question is, a boy of mass 40 kg runs up a flight of 15 steps, each of 15 centimeter high, in 10 seconds. So we have to calculate the work done and the power developed by him. Again, in this question also we have to calculate the work done and the power developed. So what they have given, that we'll write first. So mass of the boy is given m, which is 40 kg. Now to calculate the displacement, what they have given, he runs up a flight of 15 steps, and each step is of 15 centimeter high. So 15 into 15 will be 225, that is in centimeters. So if you want to convert into meters, it will be 0.225, that will be in meters. Okay, after that they have given the value of G also, which is 10 Newton per kg. So therefore we can convert this mass into force as m into G. So this will be 40 multiplied by 10 will give you the value 400 Newton. Okay, so what we have to calculate is to find, so we have to find both the values, that is work done and the power. Okay, here also the motion is in the direction of the force, therefore theta will be 0. So we will consider work done as F into S only. So work done W is equals to F into S into cos theta. So as theta is equals to 0 degree, therefore it will be F into S only. So force is, now we have 400 Newton multiplied by S. Displacement is 0.225. So we can shift the two decimals as we have two zeros here. So it will be 4 multiplied by 22.5. 4 5s are 20, carry 2. 4 2s are 8 plus 2, 10, carry 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. Okay, and 1 decimal it will be. So this will be 90 Newton meter. That is nothing but W is equals to 90 joules. Okay. Okay. Yes. The next we have to calculate the power developed by the that person. So power is work done upon time. So time is given as 10 seconds, so therefore the work done is 90 upon 10, so it will be 9 watt. This is the power developed by the person. Okay, so this is the question number 9 which we have solved. Now we are going to solve the question number 12 as well. So in each question we are solving the work done and the power. This lesson is all about work done and the power. In the first part we are doing that. So in question number 12, what they have given, that we'll see. A pump is used to lift a 500 kg of water from a depth of 80 meter in 10 seconds. So we have to calculate the work done by the pump, then the power at which the pump is working, right, and the power rating of the pump if its efficiency is 40%. So that we'll see the third part, how to solve. First of all, we'll just write what is the given data they have given. So mass is given, which is 500 kg. Now here the value of G is also given, which is 10 meter per second square. So obviously we can convert it into force, that is m into G. So that is 500 multiplied by 10, that will give you the value, that is 5000 Newton. This is the force. Now it is lifted from a depth of 80 meter. So displacement S is equals to 80 meter, and the time is also given, which is 10 seconds. So what we have to calculate is the work done, then we have to calculate the power developed, and then we have to calculate the power at the efficiency of 40%. At 40% efficiency, this symbol is of efficiency. So these things we have to calculate, So we'll go one by one. First of all, we will calculate the work done. Work done is force into displacement. Force is 5000 multiplied by displacement is 18 meter. Okay, so 8 5s are 40 and this 4 zeros. So it will be 4 into 10 raised to 5 joule. This will be the work done. 4 into 10 raised to 5 will be the work done, joules. Okay? Then we will calculate the power developed, which is work done upon time. So work done is 4 into 10 raised to 5 divided by time taken by the machine is 10 seconds. So 1 0 will get cancelled. So it will be 4 into 10 raised to 4 watt. This is the power developed by the machine or that pump. Now what we have to calculate is the power at 40% efficiency. Now this is the power output, right? And we have to calculate the, as the efficiency given is 40%, efficiency given is the 40% percentage efficiency. It means 40% is the output power. This much is the total power which can be developed by the machine. So we have to calculate the 40% of this. Okay. So P dash, I can consider it at P dash, which is 40% of P. So 40 divided by 100 multiplied by 4 into 10 raised to 4. In this way we have to calculate this. So this 0 is cancelled. So we have 4 4s are 16 into 10 raised to 3 watt. Okay, this is the power that can be generated at an 40% efficiency. This is the total output power, and out of that total output power we have to consider the 40% power. So it is 16 into 10 raised to 3. So in this way we have completed question number 12. One more question we will solve, that is question number 14, which is the last question for this part. Okay, so we'll just solve this. Question number 14. If the power of a motor is 40 kilowatt, at what speed can it raise a load of 20,000 Newton? So what they have given, see. Question number 14. Power is given. Power of a motor is 40 kilowatt. And what speed if the load, that is force, is given, which is 20,000 Newton, and we have to calculate the speed. Okay, solution. As we know that power is equals to work done upon time. Work done is force into displacement upon time, and we know that displacement upon time is velocity v. So P can be considered as F into V. So we have to calculate the velocity V. So that will be P upon F. So power value we have, which is 40 kilowatt. So 40 into 10 raised to 3 divided by, it is 20,000. So 20 into 10 raised to 3. So this 10 raised to 3 will get cancelled. 40 upon 20 will be 2 meter per second. This is the speed of the machine with which that load will be lifted.